Is your localized update engine core apps broken by the Updatercore Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. As we prepare to resolve Updatercore Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Updatercore Library, a generic Updatercore library. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of localized software patches, facilitating the localized version verification and localized download of localized update data link manifests. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Updatercore acts as a vital connection for localized update engine core operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Updatercore library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. A vital technical reminder, modifying Updatercore Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Updatercore Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Updatercore Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.